It's been a long 3-day weekend due to Memorial Day, so we are remembering those who served. And I wanted to hop on here and do a quick video, give a little portfolio update, basically what we're doing going into this week, along with some stocks I have my eyes on. So, as you see in the overnight market, we're up almost 0.5%. But these numbers don't really matter. I mean, the overnight market's so, whack. Stuff goes up and down. It doesn't really matter. I mean, I could say the same thing about the day-to-day movements and fluctuations, but one thing that is pretty crazy to see is Nvidia at $1,100 a share. Um, we might get a $120 after stock split price. I would not be surprised, but it's really crazy to see. We're up 33%, which is insane. Let's take a look at the 3-month chart. No, 1-year chart. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Insane. Up almost 200% the past year. We bought in at 830. Really bought in at like the low 8, like 805, 810, I think. But after we're done averaging in, it got this price. So where's 827 on here? So we bought lower than here. So right there. So insanity from Nvidia. But basically, real quick, portfolio update. Let's look at our year-to-date chart. We're up 9.26%. Not bad considering we got a late start to the year. If only we started like a month earlier, we would have been up probably another 3-4%. But it's all right. So I talked about this a little bit in the last video, but we opened some smaller positions. We got Snowflake, big data company, great growth, Shopify, and Palantir. So I'm going to try and keep these smaller positions under 10% of my portfolio. And obviously these are a little riskier, but they can also pay off better than the Microsofts and the Apples and the S&P 500. But like I said, it's riskier. That's why I'm keeping it a smaller portion of my portfolio in case it doesn't work out. It doesn't really impact me too much. But it's still a reasonable position where it could add some great value to our portfolio. So I mean, this is less than 3% of our portfolio, but as I wrote down here, Shopify is actually on my buy list this coming up week, especially at $57. If we could get to 55, that'd be great. But yeah, if we could, get our toes wet down here, I like to build this out to like 4%, maybe even 5% of our portfolio. That'd be nice. Amazon is another one on our list. I like it at the $180 range. Where is it at? It's at 180, 150 right now. So under 180, love it. Even, 180, 182. I mean, that's fine too. So I have like 9.81 shares. I want to get at least 10 shares of that. It's already a big chunk of our portfolio, but that's fine because I am very confident in Amazon. I mean, it's only up. It hasn't even doubled in 5 years, and I think Amazon's a little undervalued at the moment. So it still has a lot of room to grow, in my opinion. Next one is Meta. Meta is slept on. So slept on. Where is Meta right here? Yeah. 480. It's been on a little tear recently, actually. The past week went from 460 all the way to 480 right now. So that's a big jump. But I mean, it's got a low 4P ratio. I mean, it's just it's undervalued in my opinion. And it's one of our smaller positions. I think it's actually less than our Nvidia position now because of how much Nvidia has ran. But I'd like to buy some more Meta under 500. That'd be nice going into this week. So maybe get 4 shares of that. But besides that, that's really it. Nothing much. Just working. Today's been a long day. Been working like crazy. Got a job coming up, so I'm gonna have some extra money to throw in here, which I'm actually excited. So working with my dad, doing a little extra money, or doing a little extra work to get some money, and I should be able to add some extra money one of these weeks. So that'll go to one of the positions I named here, most likely. Another note: keeping an eye on Palantir. Huge potential, but it is richly valued. So I would like it under $20, and I think that can happen for sure. It's got support around the $20 range, and I'm cool with buying it, between $20 and $21. But I'd really like it, $18 to $20. That'd be nice. So, I mean, if we get a negative catalyst at these levels, it could easily get a big leg down. and I'll definitely buy more. I mean, look at this. This is less than 0.5% of our portfolio. This is chump change, but it's growing strong. It's a good AI play, so that's why I'm keeping it in the portfolio, and I want to add to it as much as possible. I mean, it hit as high as $26 up here, so would like to build that out. But besides that, that's really it. We'll see how this week goes. We're gonna throw some money in those plays and just keep working hard. We're saving as much as possible. I actually got when I started this portfolio, I kept track of the money and stuff in my notes. So I'll definitely make a video soon sharing that. Basically, just showing the growth. I mean, I started with what is it, $7,500 or maybe it was $9,000. And once I put my mind to saving and just grinding, saving, I mean, we're already at 15,000, and my goal is 20,000, but that's just the beginning. But less than $5,000 to go, and we're at that goal. So that's going to be super exciting. I'm so ready for that. But besides that, same old, nothing new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.